Okay, what I've got to do now is I got to fill. What I've done is I cut the top off a bottle. It gives me a funnel. The bigger the bottle, the better, the easier. You can get with huge bottles. Then I've got to pour the oil in. I'll put in about 7 litres now. I'm guessing there's about a litre inside the oil filter. I'll get back to you once I pour in 7 litres. Always pour in 7 litres, because don't say I'll put it on the ground and then I'll pour in the oil, because what happens is you'll forget. Someone comes to start it, you burn out an engine. So always make sure when it leaves, the 7 litres is more than enough for it to not get engine damage. These take about 9.2 with the filter.